Welcome to DIY RV and Home Camper's Life. My name's Greg. We are going to be wintering here in Quartzsite, Arizona. And of course, we're dispersed camping. We're in the long-term visitor area. We're in La Posa South here in Quartzsite. So, you know, propane is going to be a must for us. And keeping on top of make sure we don't run out. It's, kind of, important. So the other day I was over in Yucca Valley in a welding shop and ran across this right here, Flame King propane scale. Now this scale works between 5-pound bottles all the way up to 40-pound bottles. Will accurately tell you how much you have in your tank. Now I demoed and tested a gauge in one of my last videos, which is designed on pressure, which worked fine. I mean, it was able to tell us that we were getting close to being out of propane. Gave us a general idea. This is going to give us a little bit more exact measurement. And I've got 3 bottles here. Okay. I actually got one full, one that's, I'll show you, and another one that I'm going to go ahead and get topped off today. Well, I'm going to top 2 of them off, but anyways, let's just take a look and see how this scale works. Takes 2 AAA batteries. Turn it on, just press the button here, and you have an image of a propane tank, what size bottle, and the percentage. Now, we're going to go ahead, and it starts off at 5. We press the button, 10, 20, 30, 40, and back to 5. So it'll go from 5-pound all the way up to 40-pound. It normally does remember what the setting was when you turn it off or when it automatically goes off. So we've got it on 20-pound. We're showing the bottle empty and it's showing 0. Let's grab this first tank and let me get you in close. See if you can see that. Now we're going to lift up. And okay, so that bottle is at 78%, 77%. Let's move this out of the way. Let's grab this bottle. And, now that one, we can see we're sitting at 20% on the bottle. And as you notice, it does hold for a few seconds after you let off or set the tank down. Now, let's go for this one. And raise up, and 100%. Now, I know this one's at 100% for sure because this one's been in the back of the truck. We're going to be using that for cooking. Well, it's going to go over to the cook area, and then these will be on the trailer, and as we need to, we can swap them around and stuff like that. But we're going to take these 2 in and get them topped off. So I did that down on the ground to make it easier to demonstrate. I know I'm holding the camera and a little shaky probably, but I was able to just sit up here and lift these up this morning to check the level of the tanks and figure out that I do want to take that one or both of them actually in and just get them topped off, since we just got back to La Posa South here in Quartzsite the other day. And I thought this would be a handy little thing to pick up. Nice thing about it is I can go store it. It's out of the way. It's not getting banged around underneath the tank on some of those scales. Guessing with the one that actually screws on here and has the gauge that's that does pressure. The one that we have, which is pretty nice, I'll drop a link for that one also in the description below. It's got 3 scales on it, so in the morning time you can look at your propane and get an idea, and then later on in the day I'd go with the larger scale. But then again, pressure inside those tanks vary with the temperature of the day. That's why they have those 3 different scales. This gives me a real accurate reading of what we've got in our tanks. Lets me know when I need to go. It's not too far away, but it just gives me that idea. It gives me that comfort knowing how much propane I actually have on hand. So anyways, I thought I'd bring this to you as a tip. If you like it, please hit the like button, subscribe, share, and until the next time, happy camping. P.S. There's a lot of stuff going on. We've got helicopter in the sky. We've got vehicles running back and forth. You can see that over there. People moseying on by. That's why I was kind of like looking around a little bit. I wasn't ignoring you guys. I love you guys for, subscribing and for watching our videos. So, again, till the next time, happy camping.